If you want to set up an alarm clock on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, locate your clock application. It's a built-in app, so you must have it. Here it is. Press OK. So here, make sure to choose an alarm right here at the bottom. Now press plus at the top right corner. So first of all, let's set up AM or PM. Choose your time when you want alarm to set off. Let it be 8:35 a.m. Choose the days which you want your alarm to work, for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can give your alarm a name. Let's name it a work. Now we can choose an alarm sound. You can choose it from the preset sounds. You can add up your own sound, or you can choose it from Spotify. Also, you can set up a vibration pattern and turn it on, turn it off, as well as sound. You can choose your snoozing mode, so eternals, repeats. You can choose your alarm background if you tap on it. So press background, allow the access to your gallery, and you can choose from the preset pictures or from your gallery. And when you're satisfied, simply press save. So as you see, our alarm was set. If you want to turn it off, simply tap on the switch near it. It will be turned off. In order to delete it, simply hold your alarm. And here at the bottom, press delete. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.